Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Tribunet. My name is Manoj. Today, let us understand about viscosity index. What is a viscosity index? The viscosity index is an arbitrary, unitless measure of fluid's change in viscosity relative to temperature change. It is mostly used to characterize the viscosity temperature behavior of lubricating oils. The lower the viscosity index, the more the viscosity is affected by the changes in temperature. The higher the viscosity index, the more stable the viscosity remains over the temperature fluctuations. The viscosity index was originally measured on a scale from 0 to 100. However, the advancements in the lubrication science have led to the developments of the oils with a much higher viscosity index. In this figure, we can see the viscosity behavior in different temperatures for a liquid. Next, let us see how a viscosity index is determined. The viscosity index of a lubricant is determined by measuring the kinematic viscosity at 40 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. These measurements are then compared to the results of two reference oils. A traditional mineral oil has a viscosity index between 95 to 100, and the viscosity index of highly refined mineral oil, that is hydrotreated, can be up to 120. Hydrocracked base oil will have a viscosity index greater than 120, while synthetics may have the higher viscosity index. In this figure, we can see the representation of different fluids with a high and low viscosity. What is a viscosity index diagram? In this diagram, we can see that how the viscosity, which is in the vertical axis, of two different lubricants change in relations to the temperature, which is in the horizontal axis. The slope of this lubricant with a high viscosity index is more horizontal, and the viscosity remains more stable across the wider temperature range. This means a lubricant with a higher viscosity index is more desirable because it provides a more stable lubricating film over a wider temperature range. Here we can see the schematic representation of viscosity index diagram. What are the factors affecting the viscosity index? Lubricants with a lower viscosity index might have the appropriate viscosity at a certain temperature, but their viscosity can be decreased drastically when temperature is rising. This can lead to increased mechanical friction and wear due to the film loss. At a lower temperatures, a lubricant with low viscosity index might have the viscosity that is too high, resulting in low oil flow and oil starvation and dry startups. Here in this graph, it shows the dynamic viscosity versus temperature graph. How do we improvise a viscosity index of any lubricant? To improve the viscosity index, manufacturer can enhance a lubricant with certain additives. This way, a lubricant can be formulated to meet the original equipment manufacturer's specifications. We always recommend to check the equipment manufacturer's specifications when selecting a lubricant for your application. You must take into account the climate and the operating conditions of your machinery. By selecting the appropriate lubricant with an accurate viscosity index, your machinery will perform better and live longer. In this video, we understood what is a viscosity index, how is viscosity index determined, viscosity index diagram, factors affecting the viscosity index, and how do we improve the viscosity index. These are the references for the information provided in this video, and thank you for watching this video. To get more details on the topics related to tribology, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Tribunet. Also visit our website on www.tribunet.org.